How to make a cash sale. Click on the sales button on the left menu. This is your point of transaction screen. We're making a cash sale, so by default, the system automatically gives you a cash sale. Click on the item to add. We're selling printing. We're selling 3 copies of printing. Click add item to the summary. Click process transaction. At the pay using category, since it's a cash sale, by default, the cash sale account is shown. Click complete transaction, and you get a pop-up saying it's successful. You can click your receipt to view the document and what has been bought, and you can print this out and email this to the customer. Thank you.